Never mind. He just started it up again. Jesus Christ. Hush, please. Okay, they stopped for a little bit. Maybe I could get a couple of shots before they start with all this ruckus. Look at all this noise going on here. What is going on? I'm trying to film. Come on, people. What's up, everybody? Raul back with another video. Today it is 28 days and 4 weeks since I planted Arden 15 out in the front. Today we are in the back filming because of all the noise and all the stuff going on. Right now they're taking a break, so I'm taking full advantage of filming this video really quick because I want to get this video out for you guys. So good morning, everybody. I hope you enjoy this video. Stay tuned because I'm going to show you some footage. I am going to either talk over it or add music to it because of course all the noise going on outside. Unless you guys want to hear that, I don't think so. I wouldn't either. So anyways, let me show you what the grass looks like. It is great, filling in, very, very, very nice. It's all over the place. Now again, 4 weeks, 28 days since I planted Arden 15. Let's take a look. Now, let me show you guys something since we're here. Do you see some of this grass right here that's kind of like brown tipped? See this? How this comes off? So what happens here is, boom, my FedEx drivers or Amazon or UPS drivers will come here, and then they'll trample here, and then they'll trample right back, but they step weird and it causes the grass to rip, and that's why you get these dying blades here. That's why I put stakes up and everybody else does, because when you are growing grass, it is very important not to really walk on it when you've seeded, because you will get this ugly brown tipped grass, and if you don't actually observe it, you won't know what's going on. But future reference, if you do have to walk on it lightly. It's okay, I walk on it, but very slowly. My footsteps are flat and soft. And you ask, why do you walk on your grass? Well, I gotta hand pull the weeds. So just want to show you guys that. See how that, if you go like this with wet grass, they'll come up. See? Do you think I'm kidding when I say I hand pull weeds? Yep. There it is. That's what's growing in the lawn. And if you don't pull it, it's going to get worse. But there you go. Hand pulling. That's the best results before you hit it with herbicide. Nice. Doesn't it look good? 4 weeks, 28 days. Leave me a comment below. Tell me what you guys think of my progress so far of planting Arden 15 out front. Have you had better success with planting? Have you got it to come up a little bit faster? Was it a little bit slower for you? Let me know. I've had a steady weather now in the high 80s to 90s. We've had a couple of 90 days for the past 4 days, I want to say. No more cooler temperatures where I was struggling before and getting the purple leaf blades. That's been gone. We are hitting the heat and I can see the grass is taking off really fast. So it won't be long till I get the first mow in. If you see my last video, really? You're gonna do this to me right now? Let me end this video already, because he's gonna crank that thing up and it's gonna start. If you guys see my last video that I just posted right before this, it's a project yard I've been taking care of, as well as some others, but I just wanted to show you one of them I was working on. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will have more to come with later on of weeks, like 8 weeks, 12 weeks, stuff like that. And of course other stuff like me maintaining the lawn, addressing weeds and stuff. Right now I'm just hand pulling everything. I showed you a little clip of what I got out of the lawn, just hand pulling. I walk very slowly like this. Don't twist your feet, because like I said, you're gonna pull the leaf blades, you're gonna rip them, and then you're gonna get yellowing to them. I hope you can hear me, you guys. I'm sorry for the noise, but I've been working with this for weeks now. They prolong it and they take their sweet time. I am sorry. But anyways, I hope you like this video. 4 weeks, 28 days, once again. I know I'm butchering it. Keep mowing and growing, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. I wanted to throw this in for you guys. Check out those roots. This has nothing to do with the front yard renovation, but look at that. Ooh-wee.